Let's start. Okay. Actually, what we are going to discuss now is AP. AP means what? Arithmetic progression. In that, we have studied in last classes. What I have taken is what is AP and how the terms in the AP will be looking like. Means what did I said? Means what is AP? I said like AP means it's like a series. Means suppose it's a C here. If I write 2, if I write 6, if I write 10, can you guess what will be the next number will come? 2, next 6, next 10, next what? How you are able to guess? Because something, one kind of logic you are able to get it. Clear that thing now? So the same way AP also it is going to work. What is the logic for AP? If you took any two numbers successive numbers you take, what is the difference between them? Here 4. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. And 14 minus 10 is how much? 4. The difference will be same. This point you have to remember. Very, very strong. Sometimes of some kind of questions based upon this sentence only we will do. What he will give, he will tell that the terms are in AP. What he will tell? The terms are in. Hello? Hello? Straight put up, sir. Hello? Okay, say sorry. He will ask one special kind of question. What he will tell means, suppose if I say X, Y, Z are in AB, I said this sentence. What does it mean? This sentence meaning, சார் நீ என்ன சொல்லிட்டாரு எக்ஸ் ஒய் ஜெட் they are in AP you said then immediately you can use one condition. What is that means? Take the successive terms. This is successive terms. What will be this difference? Y minus X. Correct? Yes or no? Difference and second number minus first number you have to do. Another successive terms, can I take it as like this, right? Yes or no? What are that? Y and Z. So that means Z minus Y. Since he said it is in AP, can I equate these two? Yes, no. Why are you equating, sir? The difference will be same. That's what AP. And the difference same irukna AP. And the difference same illa. And it is not AP. You understand? And the difference same irukna AP. If it is not same, it is not AP. Is that clear? Any confusion is there? No. Let's see the next part. So now, okay, understood, read this thing now. Suppose if I say something else means I have said a minus 2a and a plus 4, a plus 2 are in AP. Okay, then what you can write? Difference between these two should be equal to difference between these two. This idea you should get. Whenever he said the three terms or four terms are in AP, their differences you can equate it. That is what should be there in your. Okay, till now we said this. How the terms of AP will look like? Tell me. So the first term will represent it as A. This is which term? First term. Second term will be there, right? With a little more extra than this A. Means it will be A plus D. Second term. Now check what is the difference between these two. How to check difference? A plus D minus A. A cancel. What is the difference? D. We got it right. The difference as D. Now the next term A plus 2D. Here also the difference will be D only. Everywhere the difference will be D. Clear that thing now? Can you repeat that? What are the first term, second term, and the first term we will indicate it as A1. How much is that value? A. Second term is A2. What is the value? A plus D. Third term is A3. A plus 2D. Whenever 3 means here 2. Whenever 2 means here 1. Okay. Now A4 means A plus should be 3D. Understood that thing now? What about A5 formula will be what? A plus 4D. Very good. A50 formula.
A plus 40 90.
I hope everybody able to write this because he will ask 17th term. 17th term means A17 is 3 times the 7th term. Like that he will create. Then you should be able to write what is 17th term formula. A plus 16D. 7th term formula A
A
plus
plus 60.
6D. Clear that thing now? Sir, இது கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு you used a formula. What is the formula? எதன்னா unknown term வேணுமன்னா இது AP, that is called nth term. Unknown term what? How will you indicate? Nth term. What is the formula for that? Tell me. Whenever 4 means you wrote it as 3 எப்படி வரும்? 4 minus 1. கரெக்டா? இங்க பாருங்க 16 எப்படி வரும்? இங்க இருக்கு 17 minus. Now based upon nth term தெரியணும். How to find that? A plus 1 into
N
D.
minus 1.
Clear that thing now? This is what? Nth term formula. Suppose he will tell like this thing. Is 50 is which term of the AP? He will give 50 and he will tell that 50 is which term of AP. Like is it 5th term or 6th term or 7th term or 8th term? அப்படி நமக்கு கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது டைரக்டா. So then what we have to assume is whatever the number he gave, 50 he gave, right? That number you have to assume it as like a nth term. That number is which term? Nth term you take. That means see here, given an is equal to 50 you have to write. But what is an formula? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 50. If A தெரிஞ்சிச்சு D தெரிஞ்சிச்சுனா n கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும், right? Because you substitute A is equal to 5 and D is equal to, I gave it as 5 for example, n minus 1. You can get it right from here. 5 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 50. Cancel each of 5 5. What is left to tell me? 5n is equal to 50. N is equal to 50 by 5. 5 ones are. So n the term one in the 50. In the term, nth term one the 50. For example, he will ask like this. He will tell 2, 6 and 10 and so on. In the value 100. Let it be. Nth term one the 100. In the first term 2. Second term, third term, நடுவில் ஒன்று சொல்லலாம். டைரெக்டாக 100 கொடுத்தார். எந்த டேர்ம் வந்து 100 எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் வாட் இஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் ஹியர்? கரெக்டாக ஏ வேல்யூ தெரிஞ்சிச்சா? வாட் இஸ் த காமன் டிஃபரன்ஸ் டி வேல்யூ? 4. Why? Because 6 minus 2 is 4. Correct? Now 100 கொடுத்தார். What did I said? If when you need to find n the term, this what you remember. When you need to find which term, then you assume the given value as nth term value. So given an is equal to how much he given? 100. எதுக்குன்னு எனக்கு டேர்ம் தெரியாது எந்த டேர்ம், அதுக்காக ஏஎன் ஐ took. Then what is an formula? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 100. Correct? Now an level 2 plus n minus 1 into dn level 4 is equal to 100. Now see, 2 plus multiply 4, 4n minus 4 is equal to, is that clear? Now 4n, 2 minus 4 is how much? Minus 2 is equal to 100. 2 அந்த பக்கம் போன என்ன ஆகும்? 4n is equal to 102. Correct? 100 plus 2 is 100. N is equal to how much it will become? 102 by 4. Will it get perfectly cancelled? 4 table check. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. How much is left? 22. Correct? 22, will it go in 4 table? So what you have to tell, 100 is not at all belongs to this AP. Understood my sentence? 100 is not at all belongs to this AP. And the AP lo 100 varadu. Understood? எதுக்கு வராது? Here n வந்திருக்கு, right? N. இந்த n always should be a integer. ஒரு நம்பரா இருக்கணும். It should not be decimal வரக்கூடாது. Understood? Here it is not a perfect integer, right? Cancellation பண்ணு. So it is not belongs to AP. Who is not belongs to AP? Suppose instead of 100, if I change it to 102, I gave a question. What I gave here? 102 I gave. Then everywhere you will change it 102. Yes or no? Then finally, when you add this 2, it will become as 104. Clear? Now it will get divided. 104 means 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 24, 6 are. So 26. Understood? So what will you tell? 26th term is 102. What about 25th term? How much it might be? What is the common difference? 4. And the 4 கம்மி பண்ணுங்க, முன்னாடி term வரும். Should be 98. அப்புறம் term வேணும்னா 4 add பண்ணுங்க, 106. இப்போ ஒரு term தெரிஞ்சிச்சுமா, காமன் டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சிச்சு, முன்னாடி டம் பின்னாடி டம் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது பெரிய, இட்ஸ் இஸ் வெரி சிம்பிள். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஸோ இஃப் சப்போஸ் ஒன் நம்பர் இஸ் 98, ஐ said, வாட் மைட் பி த முன்னாடி நம்பர்? 94. எப்படி சொல்லிட்டாரு? காமன் டிஃபரன்ஸ் 4. அந்த 4 கம்மி பண்ணால் முன்னாடி வரும். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? இன்னொரு 4 ஆட் பண்ண அடுத்த டம் வரும். Understood that thing now? Any confusion? So this is what about nth term, nth term, nth term. Okay. So can you repeat one more time? First term is a plus a only, sir. Second term a2 panna a plus 1d. Third term na, sir,
A
second
plus 2D.
a plus 2d. Sir, why are you repeating these many times the same thing? இதுதான் AP lo இருக்கு. Understand? But it's in your hand how you handle the question. Given question, he will give 100% data, and the data use panni you have to do. Clear that thing now? Understood? Let's see now. Understood, right? This a1, a2, a3. What about a4 value, Yashita? A plus 3. Everybody okay? Now we are going to do one special thing. A1 plus A2. What you did tell me? Meaning enna? Answer you can tell. But meaning enna? நீ பண்ணறதுக்கு ஒரு meaning. Very good. So can I write it as like sum of first two terms? Yes or no? Sum of first two terms. Yes or no? Okay. What about this meaning, madam? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, sum of five terms meaning different. First five terms meaning difference. If it is a, if suppose I removed the A1, A2 also I removed, what will you tell now? Will you tell it as like sum of three terms or sum of first three terms? Which one is correct value? For this, sum of three terms is correct statement. But what I am writing from the beginning, I will write all the time. For me, always it should be from the beginning. Understand? From the first term to whatever the term you want to add, I need. Clear that thing now? Otherwise, my formula will not work. Whatever I am going to use next. Means, first term nandu, எந்த term வரைக்கும் நீ sum பண்ணணுமோ அது எல்லாம் இருக்கணும். Not a middle. Okay. So, what you have to represent it as, like suppose A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is sum of, what will you tell Vishnupriya? Sum of, what will you
First
tell?
four terms.
First four terms. Correct, right that thing now. Sum of first four terms. இப்போ A1 மட்டும் எழுதுனா என்ன சொல்ல முடியும்? Very, very good. She said very nicely. Sum of first term alone. Is that clear? Yes or no? Very good. Let me bring one.
Sir, doubt, sir, how A1 becomes sum of first?
Actually, it's one way, its name is first term. In another way, its name is sum of first term. Yes or no? When you are able to tell A1 plus A2 as sum of first two terms, in the same manner, we are telling it as A1 as sum of the first term. Is that clear? Some
Okay,
of
sir.
the first term meaning and first term both are same only. No? You should habituate to tell it also in that manner. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now see, we are bringing one thing into picture. What is the meaning of S3? Tell me. Sum of first three terms. When you said three, sum of first three terms. That is representation. I cannot write every time. இப்போ A1 plus A2 plus A3 அப்படி எழுத முடியாது. இப்போ யாரன்னா கேட்டார், என்ன கேட்டாரு? Sum of first 20 terms எழுதுங்க சார். A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 A6 A7, like that will I write till A20? No. One representation I have to bring for the sum. That representation is yes. Yes 20 meaning enna? Sum of first 20 terms. Remember, sum of first 20 terms. Clear that thing now? Understood? Now observe carefully. For the sum, we are having one special formula that is called Sn. What is that? Sn. What is the meaning of Sn? Tell me. You tell me. Ritanya, Krudanya sir. Sum of nth term. What is S20 means? Sum of 20th term. What is said? Yes, now then why you are telling Sn means sum of nth term? Uh, uh, this is how you pronounced this statement. Like how you have to pronounce this statement then? In terms. Listen, sum of first n terms is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. What is the sum of first n terms? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Clear that thing now? What is the formula? N by 2, right? Tell me along with me. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Is that clear? Understood? Understood? Suppose if I say s1, sorry, s1 illa s2. S2 meaning enna? First two terms. You know what is the first term, correct? And you know what is the second term, that is 8. The meaning of this is this only, right? Yes. What do you mean by S3 then? A1 plus A2 plus A3. இப்போ நான் ஒரு திங்க் பண்ண போறேன். S3 minus S2. What you will get the answer? Can you guess? A1 plus A2 plus A3 minus A1 plus A2. Simplify பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ண A1 plus A2 plus A3 minus A1 minus A2. Cancel. What is the value you got? Oh, S3 minus S2 ஓட வேல்யூ எவ்வளோ? எப்படி சார்? வெரி சிம்பிள் ஆயிடுச்சு பாருங்க. இங்க 3 2 from 3 if you are subtracting 2 you will get A3. Suppose if I do S5 minus S4, what I will get? Meaning A5 you will get directly. எதுக்குன்னா இங்க இருக்கு 5 term 1 2 3 4 5, இங்க இருக்கு 4 term. இந்த 4 term இந்த first 4 term cancel ஆகும், அதுதான் ஆயிடுச்சு, right? இங்க S2 ல இருக்க 2 terms, S3 ல இருக்க 3 terms. இந்த 2 terms இந்த first 2 terms cancel பண்ணிட்டாரா? Yes or no? That's what, see, இந்த 2 terms இந்த 2 terms cancel பண்ணி only the கடைசி term left ஆயிடுச்சு, right? What is that கடைசி term? S3. Sorry. S3 ஓட கடைசி term A3. Correct or that thing? So that means when you do for S5 S4, what will be left out? A5. When I do for S100 S99, what I will get?
800.
Is that clear, right? That thing now. If I did S n minus S n minus 1, what will you get?
Yes, AN.
A n you will get. இங்க n இருக்குது, அதோட a வரும். Why are you thinking much? Sir, no. If I say number, you will tell, see, S20 minus S19, what will be the value? Oh, see, our first
820.
filter number sonna A20. Like that, SS minus SS minus 1. Ah, very good.
AS.
Yes or no? Clear that thing now? Like that, when you are telling numbers, you should tell variables also. Clear that thing now? Same logic only in variables. Clear? Suppose if I say yes, Krudanya minus yes, Krudanya minus 1. What you will get? Krudanya, tell me. A Krudanya. That's it. You understand? You should habituate like that. Is that clear? Any confusion is there? No. Sir, எதுக்கு சார் இது சொல்லிட்டாரு subtraction? Because he will tell some ways, some of these terms minus some of these terms, then we will use that. Clear that thing now? Let's see next. Sir, this is very very important. He will ask you, choose three terms of an AP. What he said us to choose three terms of an AP. What is the three terms you will choose? Tell me, Krudanya. What are they? அப்படி இல்ல. He asked, you have to choose three terms. They should look like AP. A1, A2, A3, no, they are not looking like AP. Because when I subtract A2 minus A1 varum, A3, she said like this, choose the numbers as A1, A2, A3. These are notations. They are not the numbers. Numbers means like, for example, 2, 4, 6. These are AP numbers. In the two word name, I cannot tell it as 2. is 2 oda name enna A1. In the 4 oda name enna A2. In the 6 oda name enna means இங்க வருது சொல்லுங்க. இது common, இது வேண்டாம். Understand the names. I don't want names. I'm asking first three terms arrow. She's telling good. 6, 12, 18. One pair she said. Any other tell me? 1, 3, 5. Yes. 7, 14, 21. We can tell any
minus
order pair, right? But general I want. General சொல்லணும்னா if they ask
A,
three
A
terms,
plus B, A
you
plus C.
choose A minus D, A, A plus D. What are the three terms? Tell me you need to choose A minus D, A, A plus D. When how to write this? If they ask us to choose three terms, we need to choose three terms. Sir, why you took like this means this will be helpful to solve the problems. Clear that thing. If I take numbers,
Sir,
they may not be satisfying that particular arithmetic progression. This is general value, right? We took, so it will satisfy in every arithmetic progression. Aishwarya, what is your doubt?
no, sir. I thought you will take A plus 2D, but now I understood why you
Okay,
took.
why I took particularly this means sum of three terms. What will you get? You will tell sum of three terms value is 100. What are you given sum of three terms value? 100 illa, let it simple value will put 30. Okay. Sum of three terms how much you give? 30. That means meaning in the sum of three terms A minus D plus A plus A plus D. Other than right meaning whenever S3 we can use all the time. But here already we came to know who are the terms, right? Meaning of sum of three terms and the moon add pannunga sir. That is the meaning, right? Sum of three terms meaning enna? Add the three terms, first three terms. That's what all I did, right? How much is that value he said it will come? Correct? Then from here anything cancellation will happen. What is left? Is equal to A is equal to A வந்திருக்கு பாருங்க. If you choose any other pair, your A will not come that much easily. That's the reason we have to choose this as the pair. What are the pair for three terms? A minus D, A, A plus D. Clear that thing now? Any confusion?
No, sir.
No. Sir, then for five terms, what might be the order? For 5 terms, if we say A minus 2D, A minus D, A, A plus D, A plus 2D. These are the 5 terms check. They are in AP or not checked. How to check whether these are in AP or not? We have to subtract the consecutive terms. Suppose when I subtract these two, A minus D minus A minus 2D. A minus D minus A plus 2D. A cancel. Minus D plus 2D, how much is the value? D. Correct? So you are able to get D for every pair. Then they are really in the AP only. Whatever you are taking, whether they are AP or not, I checked now. They gave correct answer only, right? They are in AP. Understood that thing now? So if they ask you take 5 terms in AP means what will you tell? A minus 2D, A plus A minus D, A plus D. Sir, எதுக்கு sir இதே எடுக்கணும்? I said it will help you. Why? Because if the sum of these if you do, you will get it as like a 5A. Suppose 5A is equal to 50, A is equal to 10. Direct A value vandirukka. One value you got. Understand? Mainly in AP, you need to find first term and you need to find the common difference and you need to find nth term or n. Understand? And Sn. These six only you need to find. in AP. First term, second term, nth term means n term adu, and what is the sum of that? See, this is n and nth term. Both are different. Like suppose tenth term is might be 100. So I want this as like n and this as like this. Understood that thing now? Now if we say take four terms only, what to do, sir? Yes, sir. A minus A minus 3D you take. Who said 3D? Very good. And A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. What is the common difference in the paranga? 2D. What is the common difference in the 2D? Here common difference? AP or not? Is this AP or not? Yes. Correct, right? That thing. Why to choose this means this will help you to cancel out the D and get value of A at first. So when I said four terms, you have to choose it as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D like. Is that clear? Any confusion is there, sir?
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, why is a minus 2d is left out here, sir?
That's why. If I choose A minus D like that, I will not able to ended up with a proper set. Understand? Like suppose
Okay.
you can think like this also. Why sir can't take A minus 3D, A minus 2D, A minus D, A. Here the D's will not get cancelled. My aim is if I choose such that the D's are getting cancelled when I add them, it will help me in the problem. That is the reason this pair you remember. Clear that thing now, Vishnu Priyan?
Okay, sir.
Okay. You tell me anything wrong if I take like this?
Sir?
Anything wrong if I take like this?
No, sir, no, sir.
There is no wrong. But your question is what you know? Why we are taking this only? Understand? My answer is for that. When you take this order pair, it will be simple to solve the sum. Clear that thing now? Simple. How sir it is simple? You will tell sum of the four terms. That means this plus this plus this. When you add them, it will get cancelled. What will get cancelled? These will get cancelled. Will cancel and will get the A value direct. Understood that? Any confusion? No. Fine. Yeah. Is this clear? Suppose I'm telling C 2, 4, 6, da, 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 20. This is, he will ask sum of this AP. How much? He didn't tell how many terms are there. Observe. He said, what? Tell me. Sum of this AP. What is this two? First term.
A.
A is equal to 2. What is the D value? Very,
2.
very good. 2 value, 2, right? What is this 20? Who is
A.
that?
an.
What is that?
an.
I'm not understanding what you said. AN, very good. It is nth term. Yes or no, it is nth term. And Yoshita said, this is the last term what they have given in your AP, sir. So let me indicate according to Yoshita as L. But what we know its name as AN. Clear? Is AN and L both are same or not now? In this particular situation, AN and L will be same. Correct? I don't know which term is this. Exact தெரியாது எனக்கு. அஞ்சு term, fifth term, sixth term, tenth term எனக்கு தெரியாது. Correct, right? That thing now. We need to get what is the term that first. Can you get what is the term? Yes. What is that? An is equal to 20. An and an formula enna? A plus n minus
A
1
plus n
into
minus 1d.
is equal to 20. A தெரியுமா? தெரியும். N minus 1 into D தெரியுமா? தெரியும். So from here 2 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 20. Minus 2 cancel. What is left out? 2n is
n
equal to 20. N is equal to how much? What
10.
is the meaning? 10th term. That means how many terms are there? 10 terms are there. So what is the formula I have to use for finding the sum? Yes, 10. What is that we have to use? Yes, 10 is equal to, tell me that, n by 2 into, see here I am little changes I will make. What is the formula, right? First 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? N by 2. 2a can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. What is this? A plus n minus 1 into d. An. Correct? But an, we represented simple way what as like that? L. Last term. Correct? Remember, whenever he gives like this last term, the formula will become as n by 2 into a plus L. The formula will become simple. The formula will become simple here. What is that? N by 2 into a plus L. Is that clear or not? So, now let us find what is S10. N and 10 by 2. A and level 2. L level 20. இப்போதான் நம்ம கொஷின் பார்த்துட்டோம். A அண்ணா இது, L அண்ணா இது, S அண்ணா N அண்ணா 10 times we got it. So from here, 2 ones are 2 fives. So 5 into 22. How much is the value? Correct? 1 1. Is this clear? This concept also? Any confusion in this? Aishwarya Vishnupriyan?
No, sir, clear.
This formula also you are able to understand, right? N by
Yes, sir.
same
Yes,
Sn
yes.
formula. What is Sn formula? Tell me. N by 2 into a plus L. Another formula. What is original formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This you will use every time. இது ஸ்பெஷலா என்ன எப்ப யூஸ் பண்ண போறா? லாஸ்ட் டேர்ம் கொடுத்தா you will use this. Understood that thing now? Understood, when they give last term, you will use this. Otherwise, you will go with the original form. Understood? Fine. Now start working out the sums. First, complete the examples of that one. First, complete the examples.